when you look at this email, you will see I have sent so many applications. But this particular one is to one of the professors. I just wanted to share so that you will see. This is, I wrote MSc or PhD research interest as the topic. I wrote the name of the professor and the school, University of Exeter, UK. Dear Professor Tim, recently, I just want us to note some certain things about reaching out to a professor, like as a cold mail. When someone made mention of a cold mail, this is what cold mail looks like. Recently, I read your research highlights and some of your research articles on your webpage and found them informatively interesting. Your research areas on climate change, ecosystem science, and environmental change and protection align with my research interests. I am interested in developing process that promotes the coordinated development and management of land, blah, 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 blah. This is what I read about this man in his webpage. And I have to, put them into writing to tell him that I have already read some things he has done in the past to show him how I developed the interest to work with him. Then I now have to introduce myself. My name is so person, and this and that and that. I put down some of my cumulative grade points, both in undergraduate level and masters. And I also informed him that I have some journal publication. Then I had to break it down. Having gone through your profile, your research, I desire to carry out my master's. So what I'm looking for is for him to accept me to work in his lab, which will be a scholarship on my own part, because if he said yes, definitely he will see for other things that has to do with my tuition fee, and I will be working with him in his lab or have a research work too. So these are the things one need to prepare. You have to prepare yourself very, very, very well and look out for a professor in a particular school. So this is one of them. There are so many of them, but I have to share this with you so that you will see it's not just I want to apply, but you have to sit down, make a proper research, use your pen and paper, put them down before getting them together in writing.